Okay, children, let's see the next exercise. It's also going to be very interesting exercise. Let's see it. What's in the exercise? Okay, before going into the exercise, let's read the heading carefully. Look at the book carefully, children. Fill in the blanks. We want to fill in the blanks with OU or OI. Okay, some word will have OU and some word will have a OI. We want to find it out which word is coming, then we can fill it on the blanks. Okay, children? Okay, did you understand? Okay, listen it carefully. I have told you already. What is this? This is a snout. Ow, ow. What is the sound? The OU. Sound of OU is ow, ow. Snout, snout. This is, what is this? Yes, yeah, she is hearing something louder, isn't it? Loud, loud, yes. Loud, loud. This is, what is this? This is a mouse. Very good. This is cloud, cloud. Very good, cloud. Okay, okay, listen here. This is sound of OU is ow, ow, ow. Okay, like snout, loud, mouse, and cloud. Okay. Okay, let's fill it with the next word. Pouch. You know what is meant by pouch? You can use a pouch while you are going to school, isn't it? Okay, now you are using a pouch in your home. You are taking in online classes. Yes, you should be follow what actually will happens when you are going to school, isn't it? You should not make anything naughtiness. Okay, children. Okay, let's do it. This is coil, oil. This is a oil. Okay, listen it carefully. The sound of OU and OI. Listen it carefully. The sound of OU, the two words is ow, ow. The sound of OI is oi, oi, ow, oi. Okay, children. Okay, let's get snout, snout. S-N-O-U-T, snout, snout. Okay, this is loud. L-O-U-D, loud, loud. This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Okay. This is cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. This is pouch. P-O-U-C-H, pouch. This is coil. C-O-I-L, coil. Okay, so there is a difference between the OU word and OI word. The OU word always sounds like ow, ow, isn't it? The OI will sounds like I. You should be start with A and end with I. Like a coin, coil, isn't it? These are the example for OI and OU. Okay, now you can recall the sounds of the OU and OI. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.